How to straighten up crooked images on Photoshop. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So for straightening up the crooked image, you first need a ruler tool. So for going to the ruler tool, you are going to find a tool like this. So it should be under the eyedropper tool option, and there is an option of ruler tool. So you are going to write a line that should be straight. So let's say I am saying that this line should be straight up. So then I'm going to go to the straighten layer option. As I go to the straighten layer option, it will do a thing just like this. Because it's not a complete image, I have to just zoom in, or I can just make it bigger by going to Control T and making it a bit bigger on both sides. And here it is. It is now a straight image. I can crop it up from over here, and it is an image straightened up. This is how you can straight crooked images on Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.